Right, now this is the reason why I wanted to get this to work. Using M150. So the initial stuff's just going to be usual boring stuff, homing. And I've already heated the bed slightly just so that you can see the effect better and quicker rather than me having to speed up the video. So there you go. That's the bed slowly heating up, blue being cold. Currently at 42 degrees, because I'm not sure if you can see that on the little tiny screen. Granted, the colour effect probably doesn't work as well on this camera, but it's slowly going a bit more pink. So 45. Okay, we're at 48. Okay, that's the bed heated to 50, and now it'll start going red because the hot end will start going up in temperature, so it's already 100 degrees. Again, like I said, I've already preheated this, so the hot end tends to get cold quicker than the bed does, but it also heats up faster as well. So it's 120. It needs to get up to about 180. So we're at 140 now. I'm not sure if this effect is showing up really well, but it is slowly getting more and more red. So we're at 160. 170. 175, 77, 78, 79, 180. So it goes bright red because it's obviously reached temperature. And then we go to white to print.